forward 8 end. It's a nice running tractor. It's got a new starter and a new battery on it. New battery right there. Starter's on the other side. This tractor does come equipped with an overdrive installed. The overdrive is a Sherman auxiliary transmission add-on that was put on a tractor later. It increases the tractor from 15 miles per hour to 23 miles per hour. Tractor's in very good condition. Folks use this tractor to be able to move things around the house and around the farm pretty regularly. Here you can see that new starter there.